Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked which of the following expressions is equivalent to x squared minus 2x minus 5 over x minus 3. Now, the first thing you want to do when you see this expression is you want to see, is there a factor I can take out that would cancel? And in this case, there isn't. So the way to simplify might not be the best word here because these look a lot more complicated than this. But the way to change it into another form is to use polynomial long division. So we're going to do x squared minus 2x minus 5, and we're going to divide it by x minus 3. If you've never done this before, it looks a little bit like normal long division. So we say, okay, we have x here. How many times does x go into x squared? Well, it goes in x times because x times x is equal to x squared. So we have x as our first term of our solution. Now, what do? You multiply this by x. So x times x is x squared, minus 3 times x is minus 3x. And then you subtract just like you would in normal long division. These cancel, which is good. You get negative 2x minus negative 3x. So negative 2x plus 3x is x minus 5. Now we repeat the process. How many times does x go into x? Well, how many times does something go into itself? It goes into itself one time, so plus 1. Now we multiply this by 1. It's just itself, so we can write x minus 3. And now we subtract again, x and x cancel, as they should, and we get negative 5 minus negative 3 is negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. So, how many times does x go into negative 2? It doesn't go into it any times because it's a higher power, right? You can't fit x into negative 2. So, negative 2 is our remainder. So, x minus 3 goes into x squared minus 2x minus 5, x plus 1 times with a remainder of negative 2. So our solution is going to be x plus 1 plus, and then our remainder of negative 2 over the divisor. And then if we want to bring the negative out, we have x plus 1 minus positive 2 over x minus 3. I did that extra step just so it looks a little bit more like D, which is going to be your final answer. This expression is equivalent to this expression found using polynomial long division. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.